The tranquil corridors of the automobile industry were recently disrupted by a startling announcement from the Ford CEO. In what seems to be a seismic shift in the traditional dynamics of car engines, the age-old combustion engine might just have been given a new lease of life and potentially a one-up against its electric counterparts. The automotive community buzzed when Jim Farley, Ford's CEO, announced the development of an engine that promises not only to be a titan in terms of its performance, but also poses as a serious contender to electric vehicles. Ford's audacious endeavor exemplifies their dedication to being at the forefront of engine technology, pushing boundaries and challenging conventions. Rumors, often the lifeblood of enthusiasts, suggest that the engine in question is the EcoBoost 5.5-liter V8. This isn't just about horsepower, although early murmurs suggest figures like 800 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. But this is also about blending raw power with a responsible approach towards the environment. The engine's hybrid feature is Ford's answer to the rising demand for green technology, a means to harness the power of electricity while not completely sidelining the might of gasoline. This hybrid, the EcoBoost 5.5-liter V8, promises a bouquet of features including twin turbochargers and both direct and port injections. Together, these work in synergy, creating an engine that is fuel efficient without compromising on power. The story doesn't end at just being a hybrid. The EcoBoost 5.5-liter V8 engine's design sees Ford exploring innovations, making use of lightweight aluminum to cut down on engine weight and thereby enhancing fuel efficiency. But perhaps its most innovative feature is the cylinder deactivation technology. This feature optimizes fuel use by shutting down certain cylinders when the engine doesn't need to run at full power. Ford's EcoBoost 5.5-liter V8 engine is not just a testament to its engineering prowess, but also a bold statement to the world about its vision for the future of transportation, one that doesn't solely rely on electricity. It represents a fascinating blend of raw power with efficient technology. The ripples of this announcement also promise to extend to the racetracks, in an era where sustainability in motorsports is becoming paramount. The EcoBoost 5.5-liter V8, with its hybrid features and staggering power, fits the bill. Ford's GT race car, equipped with an EcoBoost V6 engine, has already set benchmarks in endurance racing, and the new engine might just raise the bar even further. In the aftermath of Ford's declaration, the automotive realm now stands at a fascinating crossroads. As the globe races towards electric vehicles, EVs, and renewable energy solutions, the introduction of the EcoBoost 5.5-liter V8 challenges the narrative. It beckons enthusiasts and industry experts to consider a future where the line between traditional and modern blurs, creating a motoring experience that is both exhilarating and conscientious. In the realm of consumer choices, the EcoBoost 5.5-liter V8 might just rejuvenate interest in combustion engines. The modern car buyers are increasingly eco-conscious. Ford's new engine, with its promise of reduced emissions and heightened efficiency, could potentially appeal to this demographic, offering the thrill of a combustion engine without the associated guilt of environmental degradation. In conclusion, while the full implications of this announcement and the performance of the EcoBoost 5.5-liter V8 remain to be seen, it's clear that Ford has thrown down the gauntlet. The automobile industry might be on the cusp of a revolution, and Ford appears to be leading the charge. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed making it for you. If you have any suggestions, comments, or feedback, please leave them down below. We would love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.